is no cause for alarm. I have studied this case. We have 70% chances of winning it. We have.
I'm afraid barrister is taking too long.
I understand. It's because of the complexity of the case. Look at it. Attempted murder. All we need is time. And you'll be all right.
I've had you, just that I can't wait to get out of here in no time. Why would I suffer because of the same person that murdered my wife? And also attempted to murder me as well. What? Barrister, you really have to do all you can to get me out of here so I can bury my late wife's corpse in the mortuary. Please.
I assure you, you'll be out of this place in no time. Okay?
Barrister, thank you very much. I really do appreciate your coming. And do not hesitate. Anytime you need anything, money for case and all that, you can always come around and I'll sort it out.
I understand that. And I will advise you to be prayerful, okay? And hang in there tight. It's all well.
Thank you very much.
Hello. Is that barrister Chibueze Okonkwo? I'm the one to help you, barrister. You are currently handling the case for Mr. Bernard Roberts. How I got your number is not important, but I'll tell you who I am. I am one of the assassins that was contracted by Mr. Desmond Roberts, Ben's brother, to murder Ben. I think I have something very important for you. A recorded audio of our transaction with Ben's brother on his mother. Of course you heard me well. What a gold mine to the case. Well, I am done for now. You have this number, so you call me and let's negotiate.
Mr. Ben, I'm afraid that this case is going to take longer than I thought. I called them up for negotiation and they demanded 1 million naira for the audio tape.
Oh, really? That's good news. Yeah, that's good. That's awesome. I'm ready to pay them any amount. Yeah, any amount. I'll give you the money, then you get the tip.
Consider it done.
You got my money?
You got my audio.
Okay.
This is my judgment.
Mr. Bernard Roberts has been declared innocent of the allegations leveled against him and is hereby acquitted, while Mr. Desmond Roberts is denied of his bail applications.
Thank you very, very much for your effort during my late wife's burial. I really do appreciate you.
My son, I should be the one thanking you for the financial support you've been giving me recently.
You are really a good man, just like your late father. Not like that your wicked brother Desmond who even wanted to kill you. Anyway, I thank God that your innocence was proven. And he's rotting in jail for his evil.
Yes!
for his evil.
Yeah. Hell is even the best place for him now. As far as I'm concerned, Desmond is historical. I don't even want to talk about him anymore. Yes. Obiora.
Yes.
Let me have the money.
I wonder why that boy is so wicked, so callous, so hard-hearted. Hey!
Yeah, Uncle, just manage this one for your upkeep.
Hey, all this for me? Oh, one. Thank you.
Do not hesitate to inform me anytime you're financially down. I can always send Obiora to you.
Mama. Oh my God! Oh, you didn't know, yeah? Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Hey, what? Thank you. It shall be well with you, my dear. It shall be well with you. Hey, come. Hey, what about the property that, all your father's property that is causing all this problem? Are you going to leave them for his wicked wife, Mirabel? Are you?
No, certainly not. I gave it a thought last night. I'll handle that as soon as I get back. Trust me.
I trust you. I trust you.
Yeah. Uncle, you know it's a long journey. I think we should be on our way now.
Oh, of course, you should be on your way. And please, drive carefully.
Trust me. We'll take account of that.
Obi, please, take care of your customer. And obey him, eh?
And keep it up yourself.
I feel
I know that you miss her very well, my brother. I know. But you have to be a man. Be a man. Huh?
Obi, you won't understand. She meant everything to me.
I know.
Now she's gone. Oh, God. How do I bear this? You tell me, how do I? I think it's time I take my revenge.
What do you mean by that? Huh?
tomorrow we tell. Excuse me. Wait, Ben! Ben!
Who is that? Open.
This is the beach I'm talking about.
Ben,
Take the car key from her.
what do you mean take the car key from me? Wait. I need to pick your nephew from school.
Now take this thing out of the compound and make sure she lives with no pain.
This
Understood?
is not your house. This is not your house.
Now listen and listen real good. To the gutters where you from. To the gutters you were with him.
This is not right. This is not your house. You can't throw me out. What are you doing?
Boys.
Wait.
Why did I bring you here? Do your job.
Ben, this is not right. This is unfair. It's not his house. No, wait. Let me.
Get out.
Wait. My handbag. Wait. Wait. Ben, wait.
And that includes the gate man. Bundle him out of the compound too.
Wait.
Now move.
Ben. Morgan.
Now take you back.
Fool. You want to reap where you did not sow. Now listen, you two. I want you to man here. Alright? Make sure nobody enters.
I'm going to sue him, Florence.
There'll be no need for that. Please, sir. I only came to inform you I'll be leaving back to my hometown.
No. He must pay for this abuse on you.
My husband is in jail already. He's rotting in jail for a crime he knows nothing about. I don't want more tragedy. Who knows? Ben might be up to some more mischief. The worst mischief ever. My life might be in danger if I decide to fight him legally. I want to be in peace. Be at peace with myself, be at peace with every other person. I just want peace and my life intact, that's all. Thank you very much for everything you've done, Barrister. I really appreciate it. But I have had just about enough.
I understand your point. But we could at least report to the police for your safety.
No, there'll be no need for that. The property in question belongs to his late father. I want to go to where I belong. I want to have peace of mind. And staying around here will only remind me of my husband's situation, which isn't good for me.
Well, if you insist, remember I'm always here for you. Here is a check for 50,000 naira. Use it to support yourself. You may need to pick a few things, since you said he didn't allow you to pick anything from the house.
God will bless you.
I wish I have more.
Thank you so much.
Maybe it's a good thing you returned, right? Because money is not everything. And even though mother is dead, be rest assured that you have a home here. You have a blood brother and a peace of mind. Leave him, let him be. God will judge him. Okay? Just relax. Let me go in there and make something good for you to eat, okay?
No, please. Don't forget I'm here now. I'll prepare something once I've rested a while.
Sure?
Yes.
Very well then. I really missed you, sister.
Me too.
You mean she has been driven out? You see, my son, our plans have already worked.
And it's time for us to start tapping from their gold mine.
What are you talking?
Like you said earlier on.
You know what? I will send for Wakro, the white tapa, to send us his best wine. This calls for celebration.
Papilo and the bush meat will be hot.
Baba, please. Before you start sending for him, I have something for you. Yes.
Hey.
Ben said I should give you this 50,000 naira.
Ben, the only good son of a wicked man. The best out of the three. Well, a snake must beget a snake.
That way.
Yes.
And I will give you my own before I leave, Papa. I'll make sure I do that.
Hey, Wobiara.
Wobi Baba. One the true son of his father.
But Papa, you used to say I'm a useless person though.
That was in the past. Not now. Not now.
Papa, I want you to start making inquiries on how we can get a new land.
New land?
Yes, so that we can build a new structure. You know, in the nearest future, we'll start tapping from that gold mine.
Obi.
What do you think?
Now you are talking. You are talking now.
But wait, let me calm this. I don't trust you, your boss.
I can't. It is your own now. Babilo.
You see, Mr. Jide, like you know, the economy of this country is not balanced the way it's supposed to. But I'll see what I can do about it. Say maybe a week or two or so. Yeah, I'll get back to you. Trust me. Yeah, thank you very much. Thanks for understanding. You're welcome.
Ben.
Yeah, Obi, how you doing?
No, I'm not fine, no. I want to talk to you.
So what's it all about?
Ben, you know that it's been a long time now since I've been working for you. And on several occasions, you have assured me that you're going to give me some money to establish my own business. I've not seen any money. I've not seen anything.
Yeah, you're quite correct, Toby. Yeah, but I remember the last time you raised the same issue. I told you to give me just a little time so I can sort things out, right?
Ben, that was long time ago now. That was long time ago.
So why are you making a mountain out of a molehill? I said I'm going to take care of you as soon as everything is done. Give me a little time, dude. I'll take care of your ass, okay?
Thank you very much. This one is original.
No, it's original.
Authentic. So, Ben has decided to use you just as his late father used to adopt me. Don't mind him. All those are mere promises. He won't give you any money.
Eh?
Yes, I know that. He will not give you any money. But we must do something. Trust me, we must do something.
How many of the kidnappers came to abduct him?
I'm not really aware of that. You know, I wasn't around. I was only informed by some of our concerned neighbors.
Have they made any telephone conversation with you yet?
No, not yet.
We'll start with a preliminary investigation, pending when they establish a contact with you, because that will be a major link to this investigation.
Thank you very much, officer. Thank you so much. But please, I want you to do everything you can to save my cousin. I don't want to lose my cousin. I don't want to lose him.
Calm down. We'll do our job, okay? Is John there?
He's at the counter.
Please call him for me.
Why Ben? Please, can I take this call?
Take it.
Hello? Ben, where are you?
Yeah, the truth of the matter is that I was kidnapped yesterday.
I heard about it.
See, Obi. All I want you to do is just speak with these guys. Don't do anything necessary, you know.
Okay, I've heard you. Listen, I'm gonna do everything I can, okay, to get you out of this place.
Try and comply with them. Just make sure you get me out of this place.
Come on, give me the phone.
Rubbish. Hey, listen very well. Time for negotiation. The next call you put up to him is to tell him to give you the sum of 50 million naira for ransom, okay? And tell him to bring you to our choice location. And if he fails, I swear to God, my dead meat.
50 million naira? I mean, where would he get that kind of money from? You see, this boy in question is just only my cousin under my care. I don't think he has that kind of money to bring out.
Shut up there! What are you telling me? He's under you. In case you don't know, we have all this information. And we know all your late father left. So what are you telling me? Your late father worth more than $1 million. So you're telling me rubbish that you don't have money? Are you mad?
That's not true. That's not true.
Tiger, no go. He's not going to waste this car.
It's not that rich the way you think. You see,
You are mad. So you're arguing with me here. Pray well, because if he fails to bring this money, I swear I'll put a bullet through this your bald head.
Okay, I've heard you.
Hello? Please. Your brother. Take him.
Ben.
Yeah, Obi.
Thank God. Thank God. See, I've been waiting to hear from you. What's up?
Obi, I'm afraid there's a problem here. Yeah, they're demanding for the sum of 50 million naira.
50 million what? No, that's outrageous. It's too much.
That's the point here, but we don't have a choice.
Ben, are you okay?
Hello, is that Obiora?
Yes. See, please, I beg you, in the name of God, don't hurt him. Don't hurt him, please, I beg you.
Well, the choice is yours. See, you will bring us 50 million naira within 48 hours. I swear to God, if you don't bring this money, if you don't bring this money, I will kill this bastard. I will not only shoot him, I will machete and tear him into pieces.
Alright, see, I will make the money available. I will make the money available, but please don't hurt him. Okay, I beg you.
Yeah, time up. See, you have gotten what I wanted you to hear. So, no more story. That is all I have to say,
Hello?
General.
Bros, please, may I have your attention once, please?
You said what?
Yeah, I'm diabetic and I urinate often, so can you just allow me to go out there and urinate, please?
And why did you say it when General is here? Are you mad? I will make your father Nyaj. Idiot.
My dear.
General. No, see this idiot. Say one thing, say one P. Want to say me, I be.
Oh my God, my dear. You mean they demanded for such a huge amount of money from me?
I'm telling you, I even tried negotiating with them to see if they can cut down on the amount. But these guys insisted. We don't have time. It's been some days now since my brother was abducted. And that day, those guys only gave us few hours. Obviously, right now, these guys will be impatient. They will be impatient.
See, young man, calm down. We are working very hard to apprehend them. You understand? The only option we need is the delay in negotiation. And that is what will link us up with them. You understand?
Officer, please, with due respect, don't you think your investigation is taking very too long? Huh? What is the essence of the delay? I want results. If you guys keep delaying like this, these guys will kill my brother.
No, man.
They will kill my brother.
Leave us to do our job, okay? Just calm down. This is a very, very sensitive issue. And we have to be tactical in tackling it. Just relax and let us do our job.
Place it on loudspeaker and then answer your call immediately.
Guy, see. Yes, we are in short, we don't run out of time already. See, waiting day now. See, I am giving you 12 hours to deliver this money. See, if you fail this time around, I swear to God, we will not be lenient as you thought. So as I'm talking to you now, arrange yourself. Yeah, now talk to him. Hey.
Yeah. Hello, Obi.
Hello, Ben.
Yeah, Obi, there's no time anymore, okay? The money must be provided or I'm dead. Yes.
Then what do you want me to do? You see, I've gone to virtually all your friends and colleagues that I know about. The amount we raise is nothing to go by.
Okay, this is what you're gonna do. Go straight to my wardrobe. Alright? Get all the necessary document of my house and that of my brother's house too. And also the company's document. Dispose everything. I mean everything. Just make sure you come out with the amount. Please, there's no time. Do you understand me?
Yes. I'm up.
Oh, God. These guys are trying to be a hard nose. And we must crack them now.
No, please, I beg you, no. No more tactics, I beg. No more tactics. These guys are going to kill my brother. I don't want them to kill him. See, I'm just going to do what they said here on the phone. I'm just going to do it.
I am beginning to suspect that there's an insider. I think there's an insider who is assuring them that somehow they can raise this money. If not, I don't see why they have not succumbed. I believe they would have played.
On the contrary, officer, these guys do what we call investigation, you understand? They monitor and train their victims. They do a feasibility study on them closely before they strike. Okay? So, Mr. Obiora, calm down. Continue your negotiation with them. We shall do our part as well in order to nail them to the tree, you understand? Just calm down.
Back.
Yes.
How is Junior?
He's fine. He's tired. He's sleeping.
Oh, I see. So, how did it go today?
As usual. They adjourned the case until the 18th of next month.
Adjourned again? But why is it taking this long? Or is it because the case has been taken to the appeal court?
I don't know. The lawyer said everything will be okay. It's either they grant him bail this time, or they refuse him again.
Well, it's all good. Let's just be positive, okay? Have you eaten?
Not hungry.
Mimi, you can't continue like this, okay? You didn't take anything before you left the house this morning. Now you are not hungry at this time of the day. Please. You just have to take something, okay? Everything will be fine. Please. Okay? I'll be right inside.
So, have you been able to get buyers for the houses like you said?
Not yet, Papa. You see, the ones that have been interested in the past, they were offering a ridiculous amount of money. Money that will not be enough to make up what is required. But there is this bidder that I'm hoping on.
I hope it works this time.
I hope so too, Papa.
Hello?
Yeah, hello. Do you have the money now?
Please, can I speak to my brother?
Okay. Hey, take. Talk to your brother. Talk.
Yeah, Obi.
Ben, see, I was able to sell this month's house and the company. I have
Good. Nice one. Just follow the instructions, okay?
Just know that I'm going to get you out very soon. As soon as possible.
Right. Bros, he has the money now.
Good. Hello. Now listen. At 11:45, a bike will pick you up in front of the house. The bike will take you down Vanco Road. Before the end of the street, you will see a delivery van parked there. Open the door. You see the key to the van, and you see a courier service uniform in it. Wear it. Drive the van to where you load the money. After loading the money, then drive that van down to an isolated area, park there, and await our call. You have 20 minutes to do all this. Guy, let me tell you, every of your move is being watched. So don't play any pranks with us. 11:45 game.
My tummy. Oh, yeah. Bros. Oh, it's about to go. Bros.
What is wrong with you? Huh?
Please. I know you guys may have been helping me out all this while, please.
Come. How many times you go do this thing a day?
It's not my fault. It has to do with nature. It's getting more complicated here, please. Can you please help me out?
Fuck that thing. Okay, wait. See what's gonna happen, eh? Share your brother under comply now, they don't bring the money. Once you bring the money, you go enter your mama house, your papa house. If you want to do it 20 times in a day, that's your bullshit. You understand? Just hold on. Hang on a minute. Ross, forget this guy. Forget this guy for once.
Stand up. Balance well, Lee. Balance well.
Please.
See.
Make I feel see now, Waka.
See, I tell you, any looking, one bullet. They hear me, so?
Okay.
Well, they move.
I told you.
I believe you.
What about Duka's thing?
They are keeping watch on that beef.
Listen, as soon as we finalize the final phase tomorrow, I'll be leaving the country. Okay? This is going to be the last meeting I'm going to have with you guys for now. Rizzo, please just be watchful. I trust you now. I know what you can do.
Believe me now.
I have to be on my way now.
Okay.
Rizzo.
Okay. You have done your part. Leave the rest to we guys, okay?
Obi, what are you doing here?
Why did you let him out?
He said he wanted to use himself.
Shut up! Jeez. You've blown this thing all up. You've blown it all up. Razor, what kind of rubbish is this now?
Oh boy, take it easy now. If not because this guy is your brother, I won't permit him. He has been complaining of stomach ache since. Now because now your brother. Guy, just cool down.
See, General, I warned this guy. I warned him, but he wouldn't listen to me. I told him not to allow this guy out.
Obi, you did this to me.
Ben, please, please, I beg you in the name of God. I didn't plan to do it. It's the devil's work, please.
Why? How can somebody help me out? I feel like sinking here. Oh, come on. My own cousin, Obi. After all I've done for you, now you betray the trust I have for you. Tell me, what have I not done for you, Obi?
Shut up. Shut up. What have you done for me? Ben, what have you done for me? You and your father are very wicked. Very wicked! You guys have all the whole money in this world. But you leave my father and I to live in penury. Abject poverty! Ben, we serve you like slaves. Personally, Ben, I have served you. I have served you for several years. But you cannot give me little money to start up my own business. To stand independently as a man, you cannot give me. Eh? I had to do it my own way now. I had no choice.
Guy, I beg. All this sermon wey they preach, I don't like him. Now family meeting we they do for you. Oh boy, close case, make church close now. Which one be this one?
Since I've told you all this, it's still wise for you to know that I have hands in the death of your late wife. Yes. I set up you and your brother to fight against each other. Ben, I loved you so much. I wasn't going to let you die. But what choice do I have right now? What choice? I've told you all this right now. You are better off dead than alive to me.
Please. Obi, please. I beg you in the name of God, please. Please don't do this to me. Okay, please, just ask for anything, money, anything. I'll do it for you.
Shut up!
Please don't kill me.
Just shut up! I don't need your money, Ben. Ben, I don't need your money. I don't need your money.
Please, Obi, don't do this to me. Bros, please, help me beg him now, please. Obi, one day, because my name is
I'm sorry, Ben.
You don't want to tell the truth, have you? You don't want to tell the truth. You don't want to tell the truth. You don't want to tell the truth. Where are the guns? Where are the guns?
Sir.
Yes.
The telecommunication company have detected where those calls are coming from and have equally trailed them to the actual locations. I think we should act fast before those people pay the ransom tomorrow.
Good. Get all the officers necessary for this operation. We are striking now.
Yes, sir.
Take the suspect back to the cell.
Oh yeah, move here. Criminal. Come on, move here.
Sir, it's clear here. It's clear, right? Yes, sir. Okay. Sir, nobody, sir. Nobody? Please, come. Nobody? Okay, he's alive. The victim is alive. Please carry him. Carry him quickly. Let's take it. Fast. Quickly. Control base over. Come in for control base. We are moving the victim to the general hospital. Control over.
You killed him. Papa, I had no choice. I had no choice.
Hey! Well, like you said, there's no choice. He has to die. Else all of us will be implicated. Yeah, but I hope the money is safe.
Everything is safe. Everything is intact. You see, as I'm talking to you right now, my visa is out. I'll be traveling out very soon. I'll stay out for some time, and I'll come back when things are really calmed down. But for now, I still have to go back to the police.
Okay.
You know, I still have to keep playing along so as to avoid leaving any trail. You know? Papa. Yeah. Please. I don't want you to drive that car that I bought for you yet. Okay. Until things really calm down. You know, just for you to avoid any suspicion.
That's a good idea. That's a good idea. See, you have to be going now. Okay. You have to be going. Let me see.
Case I was telling you about. The suspect has been arrested. Yes.
The doctor, sir. Doctor. Good afternoon.
Officers. Yeah, good day.
Doctor, please, how is he?
We are trying our best, officers, though he has a slim chance as a result of damage causing his tissues by the bullet wounds. By chance, he might survive.
Good. Well, doctor, make sure you try your possible best to make him get better. Okay?
We will try our best.
Doctor, please try your best.
Well, let's believe him. Okay?
We'll go on the way.
Thank you.
Miss Cynthia.
Sir.
Get me Mrs. Obiora's file.
Yes, sir.
You will go before we listen. Calm down. Calm down, Mr. Obiora. He's alive. He's not dead. I said he's not dead.
He's alive?
Yes.
But you said he was shot.
Yes.
And he's still alive?
He's lucky he's alive. Oh. Why are you asking this question?
Oh God. I know the God I serve. The God I serve will never disappoint me. God, thank you.
Listen, young man, you are a very lucky man. We got there on time and we rushed him to the hospital, where he is currently receiving treatment right now.
Which hospital is he?
Federal Medical Center, Last Road.
Officer, please, thank you very much. I really have to be on my way now.
You are welcome.
Thank you very much.
No, don't give me that. You are kidding.
Bernard is still alive. And you know the dangers we're going to face if that guy recovers fully enough to talk to the police. You know. Oh, God.
Yes, who is that? Yes, who are you? I said, who are you?
Friend, this is my house.
Your house? This is my brother's house.
I don't have time for nonsense, okay? Please, this is my house. Just let me get.
I said, this is my brother's house. Where are you going?
Are you the new security?
Do I look like a security guard in your face?
Where's my wife?
Your wife? My brother is not married.
Please. I'm not in the mood now, okay? Please. Let me just get into my house.
This is my brother's house. You can wait for him somewhere. If you want to see my brother, wait for him somewhere, please. Don't be offended.
What? What? Hello? Hey! Hey!
Please, how can I locate Ward 8?
Ward 8?
Yeah.
Your left, please. Go straight.
Thank you.
Good day, nurse.
Good day, sir.
Please, I'm here to see a patient.
What's his patient's name?
Bernard Roberts.
I'm sorry, sir. I can't see him at the moment. He's still unconscious and on street medical treatment. Maybe you come back tomorrow.
Why now? No, see, I really have to see him right now. I need to see him now. He's my brother, for Christ's sake.
I'm sorry, sir. That's the doctor's instruction.
Okay. Which ward is he admitted in?
Ward 6. But like I said, you come back tomorrow, sir.
Okay. If you'll insist, I will come back tomorrow. Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
Over. Can you win, Jimmy? My beautiful engineer. Just wait. Hold on. Very soon I'll be driving you around the whole place so that my enemies will clench their teeth in envy. Big bear. Hey.
Uncle.
Am I saying that? Desmond, is it you?
It's me, Uncle.
Hey, but they said that you will not be coming back again.
That was the wish of the enemy. But God has his own plans.
Hey. Say. You see, I said it. I said that God will surely see you through and raise you high above your wicked brother. You see, the innocent will always be very victorious. No, Mama. Welcome. Welcome.
Uncle.
Oh, the car. It belongs to Mazoko. Mazio Conta. It belongs to Mazio Conta. I will call her his father. He will call her the boy that lives in Jamaica. He sent it to his father, and the man asked me to help him pack it here because his compound is not big enough to accommodate it.
Oh, I see.
Yes. Hey, let us sit down. Let us sit down.
My brother was killed by kidnappers.
My son, you have to take heart. I think the most important thing now is that you have been released. Maybe he paid for his evil deed.
No, but he doesn't deserve that kind of death. He never deserved that kind of death. No.
Stop crying, Desmond. Stop crying. Crying will not bring him back. It will not.
Where is Obiora?
That one. That boy has suffered. He has been running up and down since your late brother was kidnapped. I think he's making arrangement for bringing back his corpse home. It has not been easy with him. It has not been easy.
Uncle, can I have his phone number, please?
Yes. Let me go to my file. I'll bring it.
Uncle, do you know the whereabouts of my wife?
Your wife? No. Nobody has ever seen her since your late brother drove her out and sold your house. Nobody has ever seen her. Poor woman.
It was Ben who sold my house.
Let me bring the number.
Uncle, please, I don't have access to cash now. Kindly lend me some money. I'll give you back, please.
Okay, let me go inside and bring them in. I'm coming.
So you went through all this? And you never told me? Ben threw you out of the house and you never told me?
I didn't see the need to. I honestly didn't see any reason why I should tell you. You were in prison, heartbroken. I shouldn't be telling you things like that. Besides, I begged the lawyer not to tell you anything either. It's all over. I mean, you're here, hale and hearty. You're back to me and you're alive, and that's just more than enough. But what I don't understand is, how did you get out? I mean, your next court case ought to be in 2 weeks. How did they let you leave?
The new Attorney General reviewed cases of awaiting trial inmates, and mine was one of those entered a no-case submission. So I was released today.
Just like that. I mean, no more court case, nothing. It's over. Jesus. Only you can do this. Only God can do this. God will bless that Attorney General for me. God will bless him. Just imagine, like, at the point when I think it's... Are you alright? I mean, aren't you excited? No more court cases, nothing.
Ben is dead.
No, my love, no. I don't want you to threaten to kill him. You have to just let it go. Thank God you're alive.
Ben is dead. He was killed by kidnappers.
Freeze! Don't move. Put your hands in the air. Your plans have failed. I will make sure you rot in jail. Move it. I said move it!
Officer, please. I beg you in the name of God. Please don't kill me, please. I've told you all I know, sir, please.
What do I know? You mean he contracted you to kidnap him? Is that not what he told you?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
You are still hiding something.
No, I'm not hiding anything.
And that is where I'm going to plug your eye out of the socket. This is what you have to do. If we must spare your life, you hear me? You must take us to him and to the hideout of the rest of your gang. Or I will...
Yes, I will take you there. I'll take you there, sir.
Where is the hideout? Where? Where? Speak up! Please. I will plug your eye. Where is the hideout?
I will tell you now.
Where?
I'll take you.
Where?
He's
Who's it? Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on. Who's it? Tuga.
Hello, good evening. Why? I don't really care. We can.
Come on, stay outside. Can you hear me?
What? Okay. Oh, okay. Excuse you.
Make it snappy.
Oh, please. I'll be back soon.
Beautiful.
Boy, there's a heavy blowout. What's it? Boy, Rizzo was caught in the hospital.
Eh?
Rizzo.
Wait, is it?
Rizzo was caught in the hospital. He has sang every song. And as I'm talking to you now, the police are after us. We are wanted men. Just came to inform me that I'm leaving. Tuga! Boy! Tuga! I'm leaving! Tuga!
What? Honey? Huh? What's the matter now?
In fact, Obiora. Absolutely, that was the name given to us. As I am talking to you right now, he's on the run. But Mr. Desmond, be rest assured that we are going to track him down. But if you have any information as to how we can get him, we are ready to be alongside with you. Okay? But right now, I'm going to give you one of my men that will take you to the hospital to check on your brother. Yeah, Corporal Samuel, please come to my office. Yes.
Thank you so much.
No problem. You're welcome.
God bless you. Thank you.
It's a terrible one.
Desmond. Bernard. I tired you people together to destroy yourselves. But Desmond, you are very stubborn. You have refused to be destroyed. You are supposed to have died in jail, but you ran out to come and stand on my way. You, a stubborn fly that follows the corpse to the graveyard. Now, you must die. You must die, Desmond. You must die. Die, Desmond.
Yeah, Desmond, how is Mirabelle and Junior?
Oh, they're fine. They're fine.
Desmond, I'm so sorry for everything. And I'm sorry for what I did to Mirabelle.
You don't have to be sorry. It's not your fault. It's not my fault either. God knows why it all happened. I'm just happy you are okay, because I thought I had lost you. I thank God.
Who is that?
Doctor, so what's his condition now?
As you can see, he's getting better.
Good.
And he'll be due for discharge very soon.
Oh, great.
Yeah, I look great.
It's okay. Officers.
Yeah, how is it?
Officer, thank you. Thank you for guiding my brother.
Well, don't mention. The police is always your friend. You can get across to them anytime, any day. Thank you.
Hey. God help you.
What's happening now? This one, you're just lying on the floor.
My son, I am dying. I am dying. Desmond came back. I went to my Onotorumbe.
Onotorumbe?
Yes.
What is that supposed to mean now?
It is my child. My child.
Jesus.
I used it to tie Desmond and Bernard together so that they will be at war with one another. Then, when I saw that Desmond came back from the prison, I went to my Onotorumbe. I wanted to strike him dead. Then a strange attack struck me and I fell down. I can't move this leg. I cannot move this hand. Please, Obiora, please, my son. Please, my son, take me to the village clinic, please.
Village clinic?
Yes.
But that one is not possible. It's not possible. Papa, you don't know the worst has happened.
What?
Ben and Desmond have found out that we've been the one plotting against them. Ben even survived that gunshot. Right now, the police are looking everywhere for me. Everywhere. Papa, if they catch me, Papa, you know it's life imprisonment now. Or even worse. This is 500,000 naira. Take this money and take good care of yourself. Yeah? I'll call you when I get to abroad. I promise I will call you.
Obiora, don't leave me.
I promise I will call you.
Hey. Obiora, don't leave me here. I'm dying. Obiora, please. I am dying.
Please, I really have to leave. Even if it means going to call some of the youth so that come and take you to the hospital, I'll call them to come and carry you from here. I really have to leave, Papa. Papa, take care of yourself, Papa.
Obiora. Papa, Obiora, Obiora.
Young man, you are under arrest. Hey, now move it. Move! Move it! Move! And you? Who are you? Move! Hide! Okay, you are a taxi driver. Officer, join them here. Turn this way, because you are going with us to the station now.
I thank God you are fully recovered. I also thank God for breaking the plans of the devil against this family and restoring the peace, the joy, the happiness that existed within us. This is a case of good flourishing over evil. Enemies of our family are suffering for the deeds against us. Uncle Anene is sick, his health deteriorating. Obiora suffering what he wanted me to suffer. A life jail sentence. Don't get me wrong, I am not rejoicing over their misfortune, but still I am happy God's will has been done. I'm also happy that we've been able to retrieve most of the things stolen by Obiora. But still, this should serve as a lesson to us all.
Yes, ma'am.
I understand your plight. The plight of you losing your wife Ugochi to the cold hands of death. Her memories will keep lingering in our hearts forever. I want you to take it that she paid the price for the peace we are enjoying today. For the reunion we are enjoying today. I want us to be one strong unit. Does anybody have anything to say?
Well, I don't think there's anything to say now. And I mean, what more can I say? You've said it all, my brother.
Then on a lighter note, raise our glasses.
Yeah. Let's propose a toast to this.
Yes, a toast to stronger, happier, much more clientele extending family.
Yeah.
I'm here.
Well, of course, we love you. We love you. Me, noodles.
Get away.
Best sister ever. Yeah.